Hey everyone, it's Prescott with the SBR Roofing team. Today we're talking about one of the most common topics, roofing systems and materials. If you ever wondered what all those buzzwords like single-ply, modified bitumen, and coatings really mean, this one's for you. Think of these as 3 different roof systems for specific needs. Single-ply, a single layer membrane that's heat welded and comes in a wide roll for labor efficiency. Modified bitumen, a asphalt-based system that's layered for durability, great for roofs with high foot traffic. Roof coatings, a fluid-based system that can restore and extend the life of your existing roof without a full tear-off. That depends on your building's use and layout. Warehouses often benefit from single-ply's cost-effectiveness. Multi-tenant or high-traffic buildings might need the toughness of modified bitumen. At SBR, we evaluate your roof structure, slope, and use to recommend what actually fits your building. Yes, white or cool roofs reflect sunlight and reduce heat buildup, lowering cooling costs. Hey, if you're liking this, please make sure to like and subscribe so we can keep sharing useful roofing tips. When installed correctly, coatings absolutely work. They seal leaks, reduce UV damage, and can extend the life of your roofs. But they only perform as well as the roof underneath them. If the roof is failing, the coating will not work. Absolutely, whether it's single-ply, modified, built up, or older, we can match or transition to a compatible system. This is especially useful for partial replacements or phase projects. If you have any more questions about roofing systems or materials, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next project.